My guide will help you to remove the adware called ProgramInitiator. ProgramInitiator, that's the adware designed solely to attack Mac computers, and judging according to my observation, it attacks Safari browser primarily. You need to be careful whenever this adware is first tracked on your computer. It could be that there are some other potentially unwanted program in place. But let's first of all deal with ProgramInitiator adware and its effective removal. First of all, you need to realize that this adware is dangerous. It tries to basically cause your browser to be brought to a lot of dangerous pages on the web. And additionally, the default search engine is also hijacked by this adware. So if you have discovered its presence, you need to immediately fix the issue and get rid of it as soon as possible. I'll show you how to do it manually. Go to the Safari Preferences, then go to the Extensions tab. You will find this ProgramInitiator adware in the list. What you need to do is to click on Uninstall, then Show in Finder, and right-click on the adware and move it to the trash. Sometimes you cannot do that. Click on Command Option and Escape. This will open force quit applications, so you need to find this ProgramInitiator and force quit it. Afterwards, go ahead and move the adware to the trash. So this should be fixed, and as you can see, it's now gone from the extensions list. Finally, I recommend double-checking your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and start scanning your computer with it. At the end of scan, you will see the detailed report, but before the scanning begins, the program should update its antivirus database, which is crucial for proper malware detection. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is the trial version or the premium version, the program will perform free scanning anyway, even with its trial mode. And the good thing about the trial mode of Combo Cleaner is that it lets you find the location of each specific thread. So when you are in the antivirus section, click on Review Results to see the detailed results and the location of each thread. So let's say that we have this very first thread identified. What we could do is to move the mouse next to it, and there will be a special button Show in Finder. So now we will find this malicious program in Finder, and we may right-click on it and move it to the trash. In the same manner you may do with other infected items. Click on Show in Finder, then you will be able to see that specific thread in Finder and to remove it manually. Or of course you may perform the removal automatically with the premium version of the program.